Jotelo gi jolony mawuok nyanduat mar Kenya jiwo tend piny Owacho mondo yangi oro kaka midhiero e piny ka. Gikwedo chenro mar kedo gi oro mabende giwacho ni dhi mos mano mokalo ka kauntis 12 dwaro chiemo mapiyo. Bende gidwaro mondo piny Owacho ochwal omenda ne duola mano mar puodho ringo e piny ka mondo onyiew jamni mantiere e gwenge ma oro kwako mondo ogeng' lala mabende nyalo biro.
Currently, we are faced with a very serious drought that in the history of northern Kenya, such serious drought we cannot remember, actually. The rains have failed for the last 4 consecutive rain seasons. The situation is very, very, very dear now as we talk. We have lost almost all livestock, which means its livelihood. The next thing is human life is in serious danger. We want you to take a very serious action. We want you to declare drought or this disaster as a national disaster today so that anybody willing anywhere in this world can come and help us.
We have already taken steps in the right direction, but that declaration, I'm sure, will open up the region for help. 23 ASAL counties are facing dire needs because of the drought. So please, our president, declare it a national disaster. Otherwise, we tell you thank you very much. We're here to work with you, and we ensure that the region and Kenya gains more from your leadership and the leadership that you bestow on the region. I appeal to the government to kindly take this matter seriously, act upon it, the way they are taking the issue of fertilizer seriously, because they have came in, acted on the issue of fertilizer and given the